Hello everyone. I know I said I had done my last video on La Posa South, but I ended up being back down here, or I should say up here from where I was at down in Yuma, because the weather is still so nice that it looks like I will still be here for a bit, as the weather up north where I'm going to head is still on the cool side. So as you can see, there's a lot less people here in La Posa South. But as you will see in the video, there's still a lot more here than what I would normally think for this time of year. And that includes me, because I'm usually up north the first week of March. And as you may notice, the desert is a lot greener than it has been earlier in the season with the rain that we've got. So as usual, we're going to run out here a little bit past the dump station, as I convinced a friend of mine to drive the chase car. And then we'll come back and fly over towards Tyson Wash on the other side of 95. And as you see down below, there's nobody dumping their motorhomes or dumping trash, but there are a few getting water. If you look up in the top right corner of the screen, looking at the mountains all the way on the right side, some people say that looks like Homer Simpson laying on his back. And I tend to agree. So like I said, we're going to swing around here nice and slow and head over towards Highway 95 and on into Tyson Wash, which is just on the other side. The weather has just been beautiful, so I'm not sure how much longer I'm going to hang out down here, because I don't think I can top it anywhere else I go. I know I said I wouldn't be doing any more videos until this summer when I got up north in the mountains, but the weather has been so nice, I just thought I would do another update. And as you can see, there's a whole lot less people here than there was in late January. But I still think there's more than the average year for this time, because normally it's quite a bit warmer than it is right now. So hopefully everyone that came down for the season here to Quartzsite this year enjoyed their trip and didn't have too many problems with their RV, as we always seem to find something that needs to be fixed or adjusted driving down our lovely smooth roads. That's a joke in case you didn't catch it. And as I've always said in the previous videos, if this is going too slow, you can always speed it up in your tools on YouTube. So here we are flying over the top of Highway 95, entering into Tyson Wash, LTVA. And as you may notice down below, there's the sections that were built. The first area is for water, looks like 4 lanes. And the second area is supposed to be for dump, also 4 lanes. But neither one of them ever opened the whole season. I've heard rumors of what the problem is, but nobody seems to really know for sure. Possibly they couldn't find the right amount of water, but you would think that would be the first thing they would do, is confirm that they have the water to supply for those water lanes. But you never know. Those blue ponds in the back are supposed to be the evaporation ponds for the dump sites. But as I said, none of this opened up. And your guess is as good as mine when it actually will. Way off in the distance is beautiful downtown Quartzsite. So we're slowly swinging back around, and we'll head back towards camp where I'm at with still a few friends that are still here also. We always seem to find a project to help one of our friends camping with us to do while we're here, if people wonder what the heck we do all day. We're going to be helping one of them with some solar tomorrow. I should say just adding some solar to their rig. So for all those that have been here this season, like I said, I hope everyone enjoyed themselves. And I hope everybody has a great day today or tomorrow, depending on when you're watching this. And be safe. And our camp is coming up just a little bit above center screen, and you'll see how many have left in the group. Everyone be good and stay safe.